Hope you all are having a wonderful Navratri festival. Before I start, let me tell you, if you want any photo references from my paintings or any pencil sketches, all are uploaded in my website, or you can refer the Pinterest as well, or Instagram is also there. For website series, you can go to the link available in the description below and take anything for your reference and create something and share it with me so that I can feature your works on my channel. We already have a painting from an awesome artist, so that will be featured tomorrow. Since this video is little lengthy, I am going to feature it tomorrow, so be the next. This video gonna be little more lengthy because I'm including the sketching part as well in this video, so that it will help you to create the basic structures before the painting. This is for the 6th day of Navratri, that is Katyayini Devi is stated in the mythology. Uma Katyayini Gauri Kali Haimatishwari. This name is stated as second name in Amarakosha, but as per this avatars, this is 6th one. She is Adi Parashakti and her strength is portrayed very beautifully in this picture. She is the slayer of demon called Mahishasura. So this painting gonna be little bit bloody, shady and all. Hit the like button if you are liking my videos, enjoying my videos, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and get the notification by pressing those bell icon. Sketching is very important, so you need to practice those things by painting daily, or the portrait is very difficult and even I can't paint this so easily. Still, I am without reference, I am trying this one so that you can gain a little bit more confidence that every artist go through this before the painting. So what you sketch might not be the outcome when you complete the painting. Sometimes it gets worse and sometimes it gets improved. Here I can show you that the sketch is not so good, still the painting comes out very well, because the use of colors and use of techniques you use will make a lot of difference when you complete the art. First thing is imagination. When you are not referring any pictures but directly painting, then you need to imagine something. So Devi Ma I need, and a lion I need, and Mahishasura I need. So this is in my mind, and with this squared box I am going to include all these three things here, means all three subjects here. So I planned in a way that I first drew Devi Ma one in the corner, and in the another corner I created Mahishasura, and middle I am going to paint lion. No need to be very realistic when you are creating something mythological. So this portraits and all you can make here and there, like Devi Ma's eyes are normally stated like upwards, and here I am using the tongue out image because she is angry and she is killing that Mahishasura. So in that imagination you have to create. So even the lion I created, like I wanted to create like it is biting the Mahishasura, but it didn't happen. So I just directly created some lion image, and that one also I kept the tongue out. This might look like a mouse in the beginning, but when you color it, it looked like a real lion, angry lion. So make sure you are using the proper color when you are filling it. The shades and highlights, everything matters. So based on that, prepare some sketch. Leave a little gap for the lion fur and all, so that it is not overlapping. It's really okay, and it takes time when you are creating. The basic sketch is very important. Don't directly jump into some painting and don't compare yourself with others, because everyone goes with the basics. So when you are going to improve your drawing skills, then it is must that you need to practice this way. Unless you are working on sales or commission works, or you are going for some competitions, let's not use let's use the grid, and when you are painting for yourself, then let's not use the grid and directly try pencil sketches like this. Even I struggled while creating Devima's face because this is open mouth portrait, and it was little difficult for me as well, but somehow while painting I changed it when I used the colors. Wash my paint completely so that you will get an idea how basic sketch can be turned very beautifully when you add the colors in it. So use of colors and everything you will get to know when you create the complete painting. I'll be using similar colors like flesh tint, yellow ochre and blue for Mahishasura. And at the very end you will see how I painted some blood and some blood spread over the face of Devima, and those things and all you will get to know. So just watch it and let me know how it was helpful or not.